A heart of a person is a witch is very dangerous. A witch is not a person who wake up at night naked. A witch is a person who don't wish you well in your life. So you have to be careful to tell everyone your good news, or you want to get a job, or you want to get married. Other things are failed in your life because of people who don't wish you well. Other people, they don't show you that they don't like it to get a job. But at night, they can say some of the words to you that I don't wish that person to get a job. Even their hearts, they can say it when they are quiet. They don't wish you to have got a good life in your life. So you have to be careful, guys. A heart of a person is very dangerous than a person we say this person is a witch, this person work at night and go to people's house. Even other people, they don't go to people's house, but they are witches. Other people, they don't wish you good things in your life. When they see maybe they are failed or you pray and you are successful, as they are wishes, they are going to be hurt. You can see that person is not happy. Guys, a heart of a person is very dangerous because you are eating well with your kids are doing good at school. You have to be careful to tell everyone your good news because other people are not happy at all. It's not everyone is happy. You understand? Maybe it's about 20 people who are not happy, who are wishing bad things to you, and you are telling them what's going to be happening. So you have to be careful to tell people a heart of a person is a witch than those people we say are witches, what they are going at night naked, what are not witches. We, yes, are witches, but a heart of a person is very dangerous. Even to owe something to a person, or you owe that person money, you don't pay back, that person was always being angry to you, or maybe to see you are coming from the shops, you are buying things, but you don't pay that person. It's a case. Some of the things are not going well because of that person always talking bad things about you. You don't pay back their money. That's a heart of a person is very dangerous. When a person says, why this woman doesn't want to pay my money, but she is buying things, when a person says something bad things about you, your things are not going well because that person is not happy because of the money you are taking to here, you don't pay back. So you have to be careful, guys. A heart of a person is dangerous than people we say they wake up at night are witches. No, a person can be a witch without going night naked.